Mo Justin Crypto with an update for the cannabis sector here right now. Today I'm gonna debunk all the charts in the cannabis sector and I'm gonna show you what I do think is possible. I have the charts already prepared for you guys, so we don't have to live analyze everything today. We will start out with Canopy Growth. As said yesterday on the home chart, TSX, Canopy is holding that 1-2 setup from the beautiful 5-wave move up impulse. Hasn't made a new low, so in my opinion everything is valid. You can already spot a W structure here. It looks like to me wave 3 is going to start and is going to reach a price target of around 50 to 60 Canadian dollars for that wave 3. So there's a lot of money, a lot of gains to be made here for Canopy Growth. I am bullish. I also have a divergence that I want to show you on the daily chart. So the market essentially went lower and lower here, but the the bull diff here is definitely intact and intense. Yeah, you had your low on the RSI here in July, made the real low here in March. Actually never went as low as that on the RSI, and even here, guys, you can see that we have a smaller scale bull diff. So the market goes lower here, the strength goes up. This is clearly a bull diff. This is what the market is doing to me. Market looks good, ready to move up. Canopy Growth, a buy to me. Let's go to Aurora Cannabis, and here I have something different, guys. Here I have even a fractal for you, and I do think that we are looking at the first 5-wave impulse here as well. For Aurora Cannabis, cannabis basically, okay? So I do think that we are mimicking this structure from back then, and if I want to show you guys where I found this, you will see that this was basically the area before you explode. It looked like this, and to me we are at this point, one of those 2 points, either the one you break out from or the one that is actually a bit more to the left. I copied it out and have a look how exactly this matches the structure that you see on Aurora Cannabis right now, for that first 5-wave impulse. Or eventually this is just what it's going to be doing, and afterwards it's going to correct again heavily to then at some point reach new all-time highs at some point in the future. But overall, just for me, personal opinion, RSI is getting stronger and stronger here. You're able to have a very, very beautiful push here very, very soon. If you would play a long position here, I would be able to catch like 830% over the long run. You would be able to catch, in my opinion, 5,000%, which is a tremendous gain within 1 year, guys. So to me, this is not a joke. Aurora Cannabis looks like a perfect buy. At this point, structure is ready to move up, okay? Tilray, another one, is in a downwards moving pennant. It's an ending diagonal, as they call it. Okay, guys. So this ending diagonal to me has broken out at some point here and now confirms this trend line to also move up from here. As you guys can see down here, this is a massive bullish divergence. The RSI on the weekly is going up, 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 while the market is actually going down, down, down. Also a heavy buy, eventually even the best, because this chart is so low right now. This is an insane cheap buy right now, Tilray. I'm personally a Canopy fan. I do think you will see the best gains, and Canopy structure is the best there, and it has proven the immense power here with the 1-2 setup that basically made like around 500% in this push up, while the other ones didn't make that big of a move. But Tilray is also a buy for me if you want to diversify. Cronos, what do I think we saw? We saw a 5-wave move up here. We pulled back into the ideal target zone. If I pull the 0.786 fib, you will see that we are bouncing perfectly at the 0.786 fib. And yes, we are. Guys, this is all too beautiful to be true. This market sector, cannabis, is looking insanely bullish. Like, people can say what they want. They can call this to go lower and lower. Guys, I'm telling you, this year 225 is for the cannabis stocks. We will explode out of here, and you will just see that my targets and the things that I'm calling here for this market are going to be reached like never ever before. I want to show you the extension here, 1.618 for that wave 3, boom. And for Cronos, for example, we are looking at a nice little 150% move. All right, not the craziest thing ever in the world, but immediate short term, $5.33. until maybe mid-year, April or something, is definitely in the cards to me. Last one, not but not least, a new one, Curaleaf. I don't have too much chart data on this one here, but I can also just tell you guys, bullish divergence is again forming here. Boom. You have the RSI going higher and higher while the market is getting lower and lower. Boom. Okay, this is a indebatable bullish divergence. Okay, if this market wants to set back one more time to create a new low or not, this is something that I can tell you. I will say watch the 50% RSI level. I do think we will see the bounce here, likely around those areas. You will start moving up. Bearish and bullish divergence are very, very powerful. So overall, guys, the markets on cannabis look very, very ready to pump, and I think that they will pump actually towards April and May. So this is your entries here. If I show you the pre-market today on the German exchange 11L, you will find a 5% up today in the German markets for Canopy Growth. Guys, I mean, if this is not a breakout of a W, then I don't know what it really is. And on CGC, on the pre-market, guys, you are also, sorry, this is not CGC on the NASDAQ, guys, on the pre-market, look what you're doing. You're leaving those resistance areas behind. This is a breakout. It looks like, yes, the market is making it, and it is becoming undeniable. Okay, cannabis is moving up. My favorite asset besides Solana and the underlying meme coins. But yeah, wish you a beautiful day. Hit subscribe if you like the update. See you soon. Justin Crypto out. Ciao, 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 ciao.